Hey guys, each month Parker budgets $1,830 for fixed expenses, $1,200 for living expenses, and $120 for annual expenses. His annual net income is $36,552. Which statement best describes his monthly budget? So we have to decide if he's working with a deficit, a surplus, or a balanced budget. So let's take a look first at his expenses. Now they have given us his monthly expenses, so we're just going to add those up. He spends $1,830 per month on fixed expenses. He spends $1,200 per month for living expenses. And he budgets $120 per month for his annual expenses. So we're going to add all those up. 1,830 plus 1,200 plus 120. Hopefully you did that along with me and you got $3,150. Now I also what I need to do now is compare that to his income. All right, now they gave us his annual net income or his annual take-home pay. They tell us that that is $36,552. All right, now, since that's his annual income, to find his monthly income, I'm going to divide that by 12. To find that his monthly income, $36,552 divided by 12. Oops, wait a minute. I had a typo in my calculator. Sorry, $36,552 divided by 12 equals $3,046. So now what I have to do is just compare those two numbers. Uh-oh, I find that Parker has more expenses than he has income. So we know that he's working under a deficit. Okay? Now, if I subtract those two numbers, if I do the larger number minus the smaller number, 3,150 minus 3046, I find that his deficit is $104 per month. So this would be the correct answer in this situation. He spends $104 more per month than he makes or he brings home. That's not a good situation. He needs to take a new look at his budget. Hope that helps.